Advait Sethna, the Special Counsel of the Service Tax Department, and he said that Mallya's pending tax dues to the government assume greater significance compared to the bank loans, which are actually private in nature.
This matter is arising out of the order which was passed by the trial court. The trial court had granted bail to Vijay Mallya, Sanjay Agarwal, who's the CFO, and the others on certain conditions. We challenged that order before the High Court, principally and mainly on the ground that the order was passed in complete contradiction of law, in as much as the order went on the premise that the offence of non-payment of service tax, which they have admitted as due and payable, is bailable. However, our contention is that the offence is non-bailable. Here, the total amount of service tax for the year 2011, 12 and 12-13 is about 115 crores. Out of that 115 crores, an amount of 32.68 crores has been admitted by Dr. Mallya and others to have been collected from the passengers. And therefore, the contention is that if you admitted that amount as due and payable and collected from the passengers, this becomes a sovereign debt. This becomes sovereign dues, dues of the country, dues of the nation. Therefore, this has to be paid back to the nation.
Mr. Sethna, the case came up for mentioning today at the Bombay High Court. What's the status now? When is the next hearing, and what's the next course of action going to be for the Service Tax Department?
The matter was in fact mentioned this morning. The matter was again mentioned this afternoon. And whatever I have said just now was in fact argued before the court, and I explained to the court that this is the urgency and this is where the apprehension lies. Taking into consideration the entire gamut of the matter and the circumstances which prevail now, the court has kept the matter for hearing on Friday, that is 11th of March.
Under the service tax framework, are there any powers wherein the Service Tax Department can seek his presence in the country, or will it have to be done through the judicial process only?
Well, as of now, it has to be done through the judicial process. That is what I can say at this point in time.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.